Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting clean. Sign in with the same Apple ID on each device and connect to stable Wi-Fi. Once signed in, open Settings, tap your name, go to iCloud, then Photos. Turn on iCloud Photos so your device begins uploading new images. Make sure you're plugged in or have at least 50% battery. Uploads can pause otherwise. This step registers the device with iCloud's photo library and begins the initial sync process. It's the foundational action that triggers everything that follows. Once iCloud Photos is enabled, confirm you have enough iCloud storage. If not, upgrade to a plan that fits your library. Next, decide whether to optimize iPhone storage or download originals. Optimize saves local space while originals keep full files on device. On Mac, open Photos, go to Preferences, select iCloud, and tick iCloud Photos so the Mac uploads and downloads too. Make sure both devices show the same upload status. Mismatched settings cause versions to lag or duplicates to appear. To finish, watch the Photos app for status messages like uploading or updated just now. Large libraries can take hours, so be patient. If syncing stalls, try toggling iCloud Photos off and back on after confirming backups, or restart the device to refresh network connections. If items are missing, check recently deleted and confirm both devices run the latest iOS or Mac OS. Software mismatches can block sync. As a key troubleshooting tip, verify iCloud storage space first because everything else depends on available quota.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.